How to make keto pizza crust in the air fryer, Crust Bliss in 10 minutes. Craving pizza but stuck in keto land? Don't fret. This video unveils 2 air fryer keto crust magic tricks that'll have you devouring cheesy goodness in just 10 minutes. Choose your fighter, the classic Fathead or the airy cloud dough, both guaranteed to be crispy, delish, and 100% keto-friendly. Fathead dough, 2 to 3 servings. Half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/3 cup cream cheese, softened. 1 large egg. Half a cup almond flour. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of salt and pepper. Cloud dough, 1 to 2 servings. 1/4 cup cream cheese, softened. 2 large eggs, separated. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Pinch of salt and pepper. Instructions, both doughs. 1. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Line the basket with parchment paper for easy cleanup. 2. Fathead dough, in a microwave-safe bowl, combine mozzarella and cream cheese. Microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring in between until melted and smooth. Stir in the egg, then mix in the almond flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper until a dough forms. 3. Cloud dough, beat the egg whites with cream of tartar until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, mix the cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, egg yolk, salt, and pepper. Gently fold the egg whites into the cheese mixture until just combined. 4. Form your crusts. For the fathead, press the dough into a round on the parchment paper. For cloud, dollop small mounds and spread gently with a spoon. 5. Air fry magic. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes for the fathead dough, 5 to 7 minutes for the cloud dough, or until golden brown and firm. 6. Top it off. Spread your favorite low-carb sauce, pile on keto-friendly toppings like mozzarella, pepperoni, and veggies, then air fry for 2 to 3 minutes more, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Tips. For a thicker crust, double the fathead dough recipe. Want a chewier fathead crust? Let it cool completely before adding toppings. Feeling adventurous? Add herbs and spices to either dough for a flavor twist. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on your air fryer. Keep an eye on your crusts. So ditch the carb guilt and embrace the air fryer revolution. With these keto pizza crust wonders, you're just minutes away from crispy, cheesy, and oh so satisfying pizza perfection. Bonus, share your air fryer keto pizza creations with us in the comments below.